Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we were studying about the second lesson, how plants survive. Yes, in the previous video class, what all we learned? Adaptation in a plants. Yes, as you all know, the plants are divided into how many groups? Two groups. One is a terrestrial plants and one is a aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants are nothing but plants that grow on a land are called terrestrial plants. What are terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on a land. On land these plants will grow. Then plants that grow in water. If the plants which will grow in a water, then for that we are calling aquatic plants. Plants that grow on a land are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. And we studied about the plants in plains. Okay, some of the plants which will grow in a plains like a peepal, neem, banyan and gulmohar. Okay, these are the example for plants that will grow in a plains here. Then we learned about the plants in the mountains. Nothing but the mountains areas like Ooty, Kashmir, Darjeeling and the Himalaya. These are the mountain places. And these places are very cold when during winter season these places are very cold. And there is even snowfall also. Okay, and example like a pine and fir trees. Okay, these are in a cone like a structure. Cone. These trees look like a cone. So for these trees we are calling a conifers. Okay, coniferous trees we are calling. Today in this video class we will study about the plants in the deserts. Yes dear students, what we are studying today? Plants in the deserts. Yes dear students, can you tell by seeing the picture what you can tell something about these areas? Yes, you are seeing the sand, camel is there and cactus tree is there. Okay, again you can't see anything. Leaving these things you can't see anything here. Then this is the desert place we call. What we call for this one? For this only we are calling desert. Okay, desert place is covered with almost all sand only. And there is a less water. In a desert place there is a less water. And these deserts they will receive less rainfall. Okay, here I am telling the meaning of a desert. There is a very less rainfall. Rain here in a desert place is very less here. Okay, and it is covered with what? Sand. Okay, the deserts are covered with a sand only here. The land is covered with a sand here. For this only we are calling desert. Yes, what it is? It is a desert area, remember. Yes, with the picture I am showing here. This is a desert area. Then what we are studying? Plants in the deserts. Which plants will grow in a desert area? Deserts are nothing but they are very hot here. They are having more sun here. Okay, summer is very more here. Okay, deserts are very hot and they receive a less rainfall. Okay, so here which plants they will grow, that we are going to study in this class. Okay, so listen, concentrate and listen properly. So what they are telling here, let us see here. The ground in a desert is dry. Yes dear students, can you see here? Yes, here the deserts are, the ground, this whatever is there, this is the ground, it is ground part. How it is? The deserts are dry here. You know what is the meaning of dry? There is nothing but there is no water only. Dry it is. Dry area we call. Okay, the ground in a desert is dry. Next, there is a very little water. What? There is a very little water as it rains very rarely. In a desert area, there is very less rainfall. As I have already told, there is a very less rainfall. Okay, there is a very less rainfall. Where? In a desert area. Yet the plants live and survive. Yes, as there is a scarcity of water, there is no rainfall, but also some plants they will live here and they will survive. Some plants, what they will do? They will live and they will survive without water also. Their roots are adapted. Okay, you know what is the roots? Okay, we will consider one plant. Okay, the roots will be where? Below the ground. These are the roots of a plant. Okay, these are the roots of the plants here. Their roots are adapted to observe whatever the amount of water is available. Yes, dear students, in the desert area, the plants are having roots, okay, and they will absorb the water. Okay, how much possible is it? That much amount of water they will absorb here. Okay, plants like a cactus of many kinds have roots that grow deeper and as spread far out under the surface of the soil. Okay, as I have told, example of a cactus. Okay, cactus is one of the plant which will live and survive in a desert area. These cactus, what it will do? These cactus plants, you can observe here, whatever the roots are there, it will go deeper the ground here. Full deep it will go and it will absorb all the water here. Okay, how much water is available, that all water it will absorb. Who will absorb the water here? The roots of a cactus plant. Next, what it will happen? Let us see here. They can quickly absorb even the smallest amount of water also. If there is a small amount of water is there, it will absorb quickly here. Desert plants normally have small leaves. Okay, these desert plants are having what? Small leaves it is having. The leaves of a cactus are like a sharp spine. Yes, how the leaves of a cactus here? They are very sharp here. Okay, sharp spine like this. The leaves will be sharp like this. Okay, like a needle, like a structure, sharp. And spines. This prevents the loss of water from the leaves. Okay, why it prevents the loss of water from the leaves? Because the leaves of a cactus are like a sharp and spine. As it is having a sharp and spine leaves, okay, it prevents the loss of water from the leaves here. The cactus plants store food and water in its thick and fleshy stem covered with thorns here. Yes, dear students, where this cactus plant it stores its food. Yes, it is storing its food. The cactus plant it stores its food where? In which part? In stem part. In the stem part it will store its water and food here. Even food and water it will store it in its stem part here. When see, the cactus plant stores food and water in its thick and fleshy stem. How the stem is? It is thick and even it is fleshy. Okay, covered with the thorns here. Thorns are nothing but the sharp end we call. For that we are calling a thorns. ಮುಳ್ಳಿನ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಥಾರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The cactus plants stores the food and water where? It stores the food and water in its stem. And that stem is covered with what? That stem is covered with the thorns here. When there is no rainfall, no rain, the cactus use the water in its stem here. Yes, dear students, when there is no rainfall in a desert place, at that time these cactus plants they will use their water. Where the water is stored? It stored its water in its stem part, which is present in a stem part. That water it will store when there is no rainfall. Cactus grows flowers too. Date palm trees have a strong and thick leaves which help them to survive in hot and dry deserts. Dear students, what are the features of deserts? Deserts are very hot and deserts receive less rainfall. Okay, then which plants will grow in a deserts? Like a cactus, and one more they have given here, date palm. These trees will grow in a desert area. Yes, as you all know that in a desert there is a less amount of water. Then how these deserts plants they will store their food? In which part of the part they will store their food? In the stem part. Okay, when there is no rainfall, when there is no water, then they will use this water from the stem part. Okay, this is about the cactus and the date palm. Here you can observe the cactus. Even this cactus, it will bear the flowers. And this is a date palm. These are the example of desert plants. Which are the desert plants? Cactus and date palm. You can observe the picture of cactus, dear students, as they have told. Spines they are having. These are the spines. Okay. You can see these are the example for cactus here. Some plants have a horizontal root system just below the surface here. You can observe this cactus. Okay, it is having a horizontal root system. And these cactus plants, they store water in their roots, from the roots to the stem, then to the leaves or fruits. These are called scullents we are calling. Seeds can stay dormant for years but can germinate quickly when it rains. See, as the seeds are present in some of the plants of a desert, okay, when the rain will come, at that time they will start germinating here. This is the example for plant desert. The plants which will grow in a deserts are cactus and one more is a date palm. So today what we learned, dear students, about desert plant we learnt, and some of the features of deserts also I have told, and how they will store their food and water when there is no rainfall. Okay, they will the stored food and water, in which part? In a stem part it will store its water and food. When there is no rainfall, it will use that food and water here. This is about the plants in a desert we studied. Now it's a time for homework. Okay, here are some of the difficult words I have given. First one is the deserts, survive, surface, cactus, spread, spines, coniferous, deodar, cedar, available. These are the some of the difficult words. Okay, in the next video class again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, dear students, study well, read the lesson how much I taught. Okay, in the next class we'll meet again. Have a nice day. Thank you.